Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I thought it would be fun to do another series where I'm going to show you some of my favorite eye makeup looks. I'm going to pick 4 eyeshadow palettes that I'm going to use for 4 of my favorite eye makeup looks. The first eyeshadow palette that we are going to be using today is the Natasha Denona Glam eyeshadow palette. So let's get started. As you can see, I already have it done on one eye. Okay, in the palette, we are first going to start with the shade Blend, which is this one. I'm going to use the Nikki and BK Beauty, the N13 brush. So I'm going to pick some of this up, tap it off, and then I'm going to place this in the crease. Next, I'm going to take this brush. This is the Morphe and Ariel brush number A20, I think it is. I don't know. I'm going to take the outer eyelid shade in the palette, and we are going to place this on the outer eyelid area. And with my finger, I'm going to take the shade Center Eyelid shade, which is this one. We are going to place this on the lid. I'm going to go back to the outer eyelid shade and place a little bit more of it on the outer eyelid. With the Sigma E30 pencil brush, I'm going to take the color Smoke and apply this on the lower lash line. To deepen up the outer corner, I am also going to take the Smoke shade and apply it right to the very outer corner of the eye. And then with the Blend shade again, I'm going to place this right on top of the Smoke shade on the lower lash line. For a highlight, I'm going to take the Center Eyelid shade, which is this one, and I'm going to place this in the inner corner and the brow bone. For a lip liner, I'm first going to start with the the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Anywhere Caffeine. Okay, once I have the eyeliner or the lip liner on, I'm going to take a brush. I'm going to take the Sephora smudge brush, and I'm just going to smudge the lip line. Then with what is left on my powder brush that I used on the face, by the way, I already did my base makeup off camera. I'm just going to pat this on the lips. Then I'm going to take one of my favorite lipsticks. This is the Revie Beauty Effortless Lips lipstick in the shade Peony. Okay, the next eyeshadow palette that we're going to be using to create one of my favorite, the next favorite eye makeup look is the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude eyeshadow palette. This is probably one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. I love it. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!